Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the art of transforming your home office on a budget. If you're anything like me, you want a workspace that not only improves your productivity, but also looks stylish and inviting. But here's the catch. We want to achieve all this without breaking the bank. For many of us, our home office has become the hub of creativity and efficiency. It's where we tackle our daily tasks, whether we're in a Zoom meeting or working on a big project. Yet, it's easy for our workspace to become cluttered and uninspiring over time. Fortunately, a few simple upgrades can dramatically change the ambiance and functionality of your desk setup. The goal is to create a space that feels premium without the high-end price tag. Why is this important, you might ask? Well, studies have shown that a well-organized and aesthetically pleasing environment can boost your productivity and overall mood. When your surroundings are in order and look good, your mind tends to follow suit. So, how do we achieve this luxe look and feel without draining our wallet? That's where today's topic comes in. 5 budget-friendly desk setup upgrades. Each of these upgrades will cost you under $50 and will make your desk look and feel as if you've invested significantly more. We're not just talking about any superficial changes. Each upgrade has been handpicked to ensure it enhances your work environment functionally and aesthetically. These choices are perfect for home office workers and remote professionals who want to upgrade their setups. From classy desk organizers to elegant lighting solutions, we'll cover a range of options that suit different tastes and needs. We'll also share real-world examples of these upgrades in action and discuss any potential challenges you might face in implementing them, along with alternative viewpoints that may come up. So, gear up as we redefine what it means to work in style. And by the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to transform your workspace into a haven of productivity and elegance without spending a fortune. And as always, if you enjoy this content and want more tips on optimizing your home office, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's elevate your workspace together, one affordable upgrade at a time. When creating a productive and aesthetically pleasing home office, you don't need to break the bank. Budget desk setup upgrades can make all the difference in how your workspace looks and feels, turning it into a haven of efficiency and elegance. These upgrades are simple, cost-effective, and surprisingly impactful, enhancing both functionality and appearance. In this guide, we're going to uncover 5 essential desk setup upgrades, each priced under $50, that can transform your workspace into a sleek and inspiring environment. First on our list is the desk mat. A good quality desk mat, typically priced around $30, serves multiple purposes. It introduces a touch of style to your desk while providing a comfortable space for your wrists and preventing wear and tear on your desk surface. It acts as an anchor, creating a designated work zone that helps increase productivity and organization. Imagine a vegan leather mat that adds sophistication and complements your style, instantly elevating the look of your setup. Next, we have cable management tools. For around $15 to $30, you can purchase a cable management kit that includes cable clips and sleeves. These tools keep your wires neat and organized, effectively reducing clutter. A clean workspace not only looks more professional, but also minimizes distractions, allowing you to focus better on your tasks. Experts assert that eliminating visual noise can have a profound effect on your concentration levels. Thirdly, an adjustable laptop stand could change your workspace dynamics for approximately $35. By elevating your laptop, you're not only promoting better posture, reducing neck and back strain, but you're also creating additional space underneath it. This can be a game changer for those balancing multiple devices, offering practicality without compromising on the desk's aesthetic. Blue light blocking glasses are another must-have, typically around $20. These glasses alleviate eye strain from prolonged screen time, a common issue for home office workers. By reducing the harmful effects of blue light, users often experience less eye fatigue and headaches, leading to enhanced comfort and prolonged productivity. Lastly, consider adding a small desk plant or a set of LED lights for approximately $10 to $25. A plant brings a touch of nature indoors, improving air quality and mental well-being, while LED lights can be placed behind screens or under desks to add an ambient glow, making the space feel modern and inviting. Incorporating these upgrades, each under $50, is a testament to how small changes can make a big difference. By investing wisely, you can transform your workspace into a more productive and enjoyable area. For more tips on how to enhance your home office setup, don't forget to hit subscribe and join us for future episodes. Transforming your workspace ambience doesn't have to break the bank. Our first upgrade is all about lighting, a powerful tool often underestimated in small office setups. Ambient lighting sets the tone of your workspace, and the good news is you can achieve this transformation with affordable LED strip lights or smart bulbs, each costing under $50. LED strip lights, for instance, can be placed under desks, around monitors, or along shelves. They provide indirect lighting that reduces glare on computer screens, minimizing eye strain during those long work hours. The soft, diffused light not only makes your space more aesthetically pleasing, but also encourages a relaxing yet focused atmosphere. Smart bulbs are another excellent option. With customizable colors and intensities, you can adjust the settings to match your mood or the task at hand, all controllable by an app on your smartphone. Why is lighting such a vital part of your workspace? Studies show that well-lit environments can significantly enhance productivity and mood, leading to more efficient work sessions and a more enjoyable work-from-home experience. A prime example is Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance smart bulbs, available for under $50. They offer an array of colors and tones and even have the capability to sync with your digital calendar to intuitively adjust the light according to your schedule. However, it's essential to consider proper placement and color temperature, as overly harsh or dim lights can have the opposite effect, leading to fatigue and discomfort. Neutral shades that mimic daylight tend to work best for increased alertness without straining your eyes. Ultimately, what ties the transformative power of good lighting to the broader goal of home office optimization is its ability to inject life into an otherwise mundane space. It's a bit like magic, using careful touches to create an environment that is simultaneously invigorating and calming. Now, you see your workspace not just as a place where tasks are completed, but as a sanctuary of creativity and productivity. For more tips on creating a space that works as hard as you do, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join us for the next video in our series on affordable office upgrades. When we think about upgrading our desk setups, comfort often takes a backseat to aesthetics. But what if I told you that you could significantly increase your productivity and overall wellness with just a few ergonomic enhancements that won't break the bank? Ergonomics isn't just a buzzword, it's a crucial element for maintaining good posture, reducing strain, and ultimately enhancing the work from home experience. For under $50, there are a few key adjustments you can make to your home office that will make working feel a lot more like a treat than a chore. First, let's talk about wrist rests. These simple accessories are designed to keep your wrists at a neutral level when typing, preventing repetitive strain injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome. A good quality gel or memory foam wrist rest can be found for around $20 to $30 and will provide comfort and support all day long. Take, for example, the Fellows Memory Foam Keyboard Wrist Rest, which offers excellent support while seamlessly fitting into any desk aesthetic. Many users have noticed a significant reduction in wrist pain after incorporating this small yet impactful change. Another critical ergonomic upgrade is the footrest. You might wonder, why a footrest? Well, when you're sitting for extended periods, keeping your legs slightly elevated can improve circulation and reduce discomfort. Models like the Mindreader adjustable height ergonomic footrest are often affordable under $30 on platforms like Amazon, and they offer adjustable height settings that make it easy to customize for the perfect fit. Not only does this promote better sitting posture, but it also increases the comfort of your chair without resorting to expensive ergonomic models. Users rave about the difference it makes in reducing fatigue and increasing comfort. While these enhancements may seem small, they play a vital role in transforming your workspace into a healthier environment. Some may argue that more expensive ergonomic chairs and desks provide the best solution, but not everyone has the budget for such investments. That's why these affordable options are perfect for achieving an ergonomic setup that emphasizes functionality without sacrificing style. Remember, an uncomfortable work environment can be distracting, leading to decreased productivity. By investing in ergonomic tools, you're not just enhancing your comfort, you're boosting your efficiency and well-being without the steep cost. So, if you're inspired to elevate your desk setup with these budget-friendly ergonomic upgrades, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more valuable tips and affordable enhancements to make your home office both stylish and efficient. Stay tuned for more.